Hey guys, this is my cat, Doogie. He's very old and he's quite cute. Hey, what are you doing? Don't be so shy. Sorry guys. He's a bit shy. He's a bit shy. See? Hey, Doogie, what are you doing? What are you doing? Doogie, what are you doing? See? He's my pet. And he's really fluffy and cuddly. Don't anyone disrespect him. He's very cute. He loves cuddles. He may be old, but he is fast. And he really loves cuddles. He's not like my other cat, Jackie. So, bye. By the way, this was a vlog.